A very lovely hello to all NEET 2026 champions. So I know you all are well prepared for your NEET exam that is on 3rd of May, and you must have been waiting eagerly for your admit card 2026. So my dear champion, there is a news, just a misleading tweet circulating among you all that NTA has released the admit card. But this is just a fake news because NTA has clarified by tweeting. Let me show you this fake news first. So someone tweeted, some social element tweeted by using the National Testing Agency. It is also verified account on Twitter. So that NTA NEET 2026 admit card is now released, but NTA has clarified by retweeting in reply here, this is fake. NEET admit cards have not been released yet. Right, champion? So if I talk about when the admit cards will be released, I believe as per the official information that I'm getting from NTA, your admit cards will be releasing tomorrow on 26th of April, most probably. There is huge chances. Why I'm saying this? According to this tweet that has been tweeted by NTA itself, as you prepare for the upcoming NEET examination, remember to stay calm, focused, and first they motivated you, stay calm, focused, and take things one step at a time. And this is the line here: admit cards with exact center details will be released on 26th of April. It means tomorrow. Today is 25th of April. So before this tweet, I think the city detail, the exam center details were already given to you all in the city intimation slip that has been released by NTA, so that you guys can make your prior arrangement to reach your examination center comfortably. There will be less risk to reach your examination center comfortably. So you all know your city exam center. Okay, so this is all about. So my dear champion, you don't need to get confused, don't panic. Your admit card will be released tomorrow, 26th of April. So you must have been waiting for this, I know. So stay calm, stay positive, stay focused, right? So a lot of different things might be coming and in your mind, lot of different kind of things shuffling in your mind. I know it happens in this particular phase of time. Okay, so the National Testing Agency NTA remains committed to conducting examinations that are free, fair, and transparent. Okay, we all know how transparent NTA is. Take care of your health, trust your preparation, and give your best. So my dear champion, I hope it is clarified to you all that your admit card will be releasing tomorrow on 26th of April. I know I thought there may be confusing due to this. NTA is taking one more examination that is called NTET. It is a bit similar to NEET. So NTET is basically National Teachers Eligibility Test, right? So admit card of this exam has released by NTA. So it might be the reason that I'm thinking it might be the reason. So it looked like NEET. So it might be the reason that's why people get confused. So NEET admit card has not been released yet. You have to wait just for one day more, and your admit card will be releasing tomorrow. So my dear champion, stay focused, stay calm, and please focus on your revision. Don't try to study anything new. Whatever you guys have studied so far, enough for you. So try to revise the formulas, just try to look out all the PYQs, and don't try to study anything new, because you all are just, I think, 7 to 8 days away from your exam. Yes, thank you so much. I hope your doubt has been cleared by this video. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe.